Be bold.
Yes.
Smell me. The Mexico. Yeah. Yeah. Every angle. The cash coming. Smell me.
Current time is 2:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the Philadelphia metropolitan area, heat advisory in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. This afternoon, showers and thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall.
5, 4,
Hot.
3,
Near steady
2,
temperature around 90.
1, go.
Southwest winds tend to... Number 569, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and New Castle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 569 has been issued from 2:50 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and New Castle, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and the following marine locations: Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to Slaughter Beach, Delaware, and Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland. Here is the...
My literal reactions.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, north central Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, Cumberland County in central Pennsylvania,
It's tore possible.
County in central Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m. a thunderstorm was located over Klinger
Schuylkill County.
moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per
Also,
hour.
whoever's playing the fucking radio stream, shut up! Please!
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and theft. Locations impacted include
I got my radio down.
Pine Grove, Lycombe, Tremont, Williamstown,
Well,
South,
who's streaming the radio thing?
Donaldson, Clingerstown, Urban.
I hear it. Thunderstorm potential high. Who the
This
fuck?
includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 95 to 111. For your protection, use an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Lebanon, and Schuylkill. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northeastern Howard County in central Maryland, Harford County in northern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, central Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jarrettsville to near Falston to Milford Mill, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Pikesville, Middle River, Cockeysville, Elkton,
Cockeysville.
Aberdeen, Haber Delaware Grace, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Calvert, Dundalk, Towson, Bel Air South, Keatonsville, Essex, Reynoldstown, Parkville, Owings Mills, Bel Air North, Kearney, and Milford Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Baltimore, Cecil, Harford, and Howard, and the Maryland independent city of Baltimore. The following is an excessive...
Thank you.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, north central Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, central Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pike Creek, or over Newark, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Chester, West Deptford, Pennsville, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Woodstown, Alloway, National Park, Philadelphia, Delaware City, Newport, Arden, and Stanton. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 1 and 2. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and
Who is static?
Interstate 95 in
Probably
Delaware
you.
between mile marker 0 and 23. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem.
Rest of your arm, but there it is. Oh, 70!
Holy crap! Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland, until 6 p.m. At 5 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Haver Delaware Grace to near Veteran to North Point State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Yeah, that's what's
Source,
happened.
radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile
What the
homes,
fuck is
roofs,
going on?
and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Smyrna, Chestertown, Clayton, Delaware City, Cheswell, Millington, Sudlersville, Hartley, Woodland Beach, Glasgow, Newtown, Fort Penn, Morgner, Delaney Corner, Crumpton, Dover Speedway, St. George's, and sassafras. For your
Sassafras,
protection, move to
bro.
an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Kent and Queen Anne.
Nice SMW, bitch.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Upper Delaware Bay until 6:30 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northeast of Northeast River to near Pacific Island to near Miller Island, moving east of 40 knots.
What kind of alert?
Hazard, waterspouts,
Severe
wind gusts to nearly
alerts.
50 knots, and small hail.
What severe alert? What kind
Source,
is it?
radar. Impact, waterspouts
know.
can easily
Maybe
overturn
it's
boats and
just
create
I don't
locally
know.
hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fortress Beach, Sea Breeze, Epache Island, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Shipton Shorelight, and Reedy Point.
Virginia
Move to
issues
safe harbor until
reports
hazardous
gust of
weather
52.
passes.
That's crazy.
Here is the official national has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 569, effective until 9 p.m.
Let us see your
This
weather
watch
radios go
includes
off
the
right now.
following counties in
Yeah.
Delaware, Kent and
I want to
Newcastle,
see
and
the
Seaford,
action.
Maryland, and the following counties
Yes.
in New Jersey, Burlington, Kent. Issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy
Really?
Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Warden Point, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds, capsizing their vessels.
Yo, I'm
Boats
tripping
suffered
along.
significant damage to high winds. Locations impacted include Low Point, Turkey Point, Chester River, Sandy Point State Park, Northeast River, Dorchester Beach, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Working Point, Pools Island, Pacific Island, have Delaware Great and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, central Salem County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Camden County in southern New Jersey, southern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodstown, or 13 miles southeast of Wilmington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Vineland, Glassboro, Hamilton, Pittman, Clayton, Carneys Point, Lena, Woodstown, Alloway, Canton, Chislehurst, Newfield, Elmer, Franklinville, Sicklerville, Victory Lakes, Williamstown, Olivet, Malaga, and Mullica Hill. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike near Exit 1, Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 5, Atlantic City Expressway between mile markers 26 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem. The
terrible.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, southwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fort Penn to near Hartley to near Hope, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Smyrna, Centerville, Camden, Clayton, Cheswell, Churchill, Millington, Sudlersville, Bowers, Goldsboro, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Hazlettville, Delaney Corner, Crumpton, Dover Speedway, and Sandtown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, in Salem, New Jersey, and the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne's. The following is an
That's 9 zones. Dude, it's fucking here. It's like the biggest thing I've ever seen.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 7:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Stony Point to 10 nautical miles southwest of Woodland Beach to 14 nautical miles east of Chester River, moving southeast at 35 knots. This line of storms has a history of producing wind gusts near 50 knots across inland portions of Delmarva. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2 FB, Brown Shoal Light, Buoy 4 FB, Buoy 3 FB, Slaughter Beach, Cape and Lopen, East Point, Deepwater Reef, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Myamal Light, Great Egg Reef, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Overfalls Shoal, The Lump, and 28-mile wreck. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. For the following
You got some weird ass marine zones, bro, or locations. You got some weird ass marine locations, bro.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in southern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Goldsboro to near Denton to near Federalsburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing measured wind gusts near 60 miles per hour across the eastern shore of Maryland. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Dover, Georgetown, Milford, Seaford, Denton, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Camden, Lewis, Fredericksburg, Milton, Selbyville, Bridgettville, Greensboro, Delmer, Dagsboro, Preston, Millville, and Ellendale. People at the Delaware State Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Sussex, and Caroline, Maryland.
I got sunshine in a bag, I'm useless, not for long, my future